Hey guys, we're back with another episode of Afternoon Boost. And today we have our friend and star of Merlin's Old School Garage, Merlin Johnson, and his wife, Desiree.
What's up, guys? How are you?
Hey, buddy.
He's got the infamous Cummins boat and the mini semi truck, and my personal favorite, the Tow Mater, which I've been up close and personal with.
My favorite, the diesel golf cart.
Yeah.
So we'll show you all of those today, but I think Scott's going to have a new personal favorite after today
Is that right?
because I'm working on something that nobody has seen yet. I haven't put any episodes out on it, and it is pretty cool, pretty rare. Doesn't really have a lot to do with diesel or any of that, but I know Scott. He will be excited about this project.
Well, roll into it. Let's see what you got.
So, diesel golf cart and the Cummins boat, they're back here.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh,
right
yeah.
there, the two favorites.
So,
oh, shoot.
what do you got to say about that, Scott?
Look at that, a ragtop. I love bugs, man. Is it going to be a street bug?
Street bug, yep. So 1956 oval window ragtop. Pretty rare car.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
It's got
and so
semaphores.
Are you going to make it stock? Like bring it back to restore?
Absolutely.
Or what are you?
No, nothing around here is ever stock.
Okay.
We've got a pretty hot little motor that raced the Carrera Panamericana.
Oh.
It powered a 1959 Porsche, and it actually has a couple of wins under its belt. But anyway, I acquired that engine, and it's going in this car. So
that's awesome.
Kind of cool.
So it's a Porsche engine?
It's actually a Volkswagen engine that they use in a Porsche because in Mexico, when they're coming through from Panama, if they break down, they can't find parts.
Oh, so yeah.
So yeah, that's a big deal to be able to rebuild it on the road. So what they all do is they repower the Porsches with a Volkswagen motor, but they hop it up.
That's cool.
So
yeah, they're basically the same thing anyway, huh?
Well, you tell a Porsche guy that, and he'll jump out of a window. You tell a Volkswagen guy that, and they say Porsche people are just rich Volkswagen people.
That's a good one.
And Volkswagen people are just poor Porsche people. So, I don't know. Corvette, Corvair. It's all right. The same. I got the Cummins boat in here, and we're getting ready to do a bunch of things on it. We're obviously getting ready to put some twin turbos on it.
Some more power.
Yeah, we're going to add quite a bit more power. We're going to pull this engine out. I'm going to have it over at Dustin's getting a little bit better rods and crank, and we'll put a girdle on it and beef it up a little.
Yeah.
But the graphics went away this summer, so it's all bubbling up, and we're gonna peel all this off and paint it.
Nice.
So that's a big redo that's coming. Diesel golf cart, obviously here.
It's the best thing on planet
Earth. Dustin just giggles when he drives that.
Yeah, this thing's pretty awesome.
Yeah, that's the best thing ever. If you guys haven't seen me riding that, go check out our YouTube channel.
We'll drive it down to the mini semi truck.
Sweet. Yeah, let's go for a ride. See, I'll listen to that thing.
Oh, can you fit?
Plenty of room.
I love Merlin's yard.
Yeah. I think he's ripping on it right now.
And there's still truck.
There we go. There's Tomater.
Look at all that junk. That's awesome. Look at all them cool cars. That thing's sick.
There we go.
So yeah, we put cardboard in the windows. That protects the interior out here in the sun.
Oh yeah, I bet.
In that 1,000,000-degree weather out there, huh?
Yeah, today's actually a pretty nice day. So,
what do you got, a cat? What do you got, a cat in there or what?
Well, you know, the best way to make a Cummins run is paint it cat yellow. No, I like the cat yellow, and it originally was a Cummins color, right? The first Cummins engines were cat yellow, and then Caterpillar kind of stole the color, so Cummins is like, yeah, we'll go beige.
Yeah.
But I don't know. It just the truck has a lot of red, and to contrast it,
no, it looks good. Yeah,
I like the cat yellow.
I loved it ever since when we painted the head and put on there. It's awesome.
Yeah, so we have that new turbo you guys sent down. I believe it's what is it, a 1262?
Yeah, fat shaft 62 with the 12-centimeter housing.
And the thing's making about 42 pounds of boost.
Wow.
And it just runs cool as a cat. Got the water to air intercooler on it. And it'll pull 3 cars as fast as you want to run.
Hey, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
So what would you tell somebody that wants to start a project that's just sitting on the couch and needs a little motivation?
So the first thing you have to have with any project is kind of a vision of what you want. This truck particularly, I dreamed this up when I was probably 8 or 9 years old. And I've wanted to build like a mini semi truck my whole life. So obviously my vision was pretty big on this because I've been dreaming about it my whole life.
Yeah, and I know you've been collecting parts for a long time.
Exactly. I collected parts for almost 20 years because I was going to see it through. So the first thing you have to have is that vision. And everybody has a vision. They're like, like Scott, for instance, he really likes Volkswagens. He likes 56 Ford truck. So he has a vision for his Ford truck. Once you have that vision, literally get your project and get started on it. Even if it takes you a little bit the wrong direction, you'll eventually find the direction you want to go.
Yeah.
Did I envision a 33 Dodge Brothers when I built this mini semi truck? No, I kind of envisioned a shrunk down Peterbilt or a shrunk down Kenworth. But because of the shape of this cab being so close to those, I kind of made it work. And
I think it's awesome.
As I went into the project, once it starts to take shape, you won't need any more motivation. Just the look of the project will motivate you. The people that are sitting on the couch thinking, I want to build a 67 Chevelle or I want to build a Volkswagen, get the project, get off the couch, get going on it. If you got young kids,
yeah, good word.
Get your kids involved. Get your kids involved. We don't involve our kids enough, honestly. We don't.
Yeah, I agree with that. But at the same instance, I've got a problem with my kids too involved, and I don't have my garage anymore. I've got a 12-year-old kid with 15 lawnmowers tore apart in my garage. And I love it.
Okay. Those are some awesome projects you got going, Merlin. We
and some great advice.
Yeah, that's kind of the long and short of what's going on around here today.
Well,
anyway.
We appreciate you being on here, man. And like always, you got some awesome stuff and can't wait to get down there to do some more fun things with you.
All right, man. It was good talking to you guys.
All right, guys.
Thanks, Merlin.
Bye, guys.
See you guys next time.